Nice catch, Jack. I thought you said you were good at this.
Maybe if you knew how to throw properly. Hey, Maddie, come here quick. Look at this. This doesn't look good.
What is it? It's a crab. Oh no, it's all tangled up in garbage. We need to get some help.
Jody, it's over here. It's a crab that's all tangled up in garbage.
I wish people would clean up after themselves. This is a Dungeness crab and it really needs help.
Hey Jody.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, you must be Jack and Maddie. Oh, that's a big Dungeness crab. I think we can probably help him. I'll take a look at him and we'll get back to you. Great.
A meat-eating predator, the Dungeness crab prefers to hunt at night on the sandy ocean floor amongst aquatic cover like eelgrass and uses its large claws to tear open mussels and clams. This large crab is commonly found on dinner plates and is considered a sustainable seafood. It's important not only for their health, but for ours as well, that we keep the environment they live in toxin-free. All right, put on your gloves and goggles.
Really, she's not gonna make us.
Yep, she is.
Demo time. All right, so this represents the ocean. Pretty clean, right?
If I were a fish, I'd move in.
Then the wind blows, and you're the wind. And some of our trash makes its way into the water.
Ew.
Yeah, and some of this plastic stuff will still be around 1,000 years from now. And some of the big pieces can get tangled around animals, like our friend, the crab. And some creatures even mistake garbage for food, like sea turtles that think plastic bags are jellyfish, their favorite food. And over time, plastic can break into smaller particles that aquatic creatures might eat by mistake.
Is there really that much plastic in the ocean?
There is. The ocean has strong swirling currents that make whirlpools like this, called gyres. And one of these is basically a floating island of plastic in the Pacific Ocean that some observers believe is as big as the province of Saskatchewan. And it's getting bigger every day.
That can't be good.
No, and some aquatic creatures will even catch a ride on the junk and end up where they don't belong.
Still want to live in this ocean, Jack?
Oh, and we're not done yet. How about all the toxic waste us surface dwellers can't see? This represents sewage.
You mean the stuff we flush down the toilet?
Yep, and everything we pour down our drains too. Some of that makes its way into the ocean. This represents an oil spill.
Oh no, it sticks to everything.
Yeah, even the seabirds that land on the surface of the water get covered in it. This represents the toxic waste that washes into our water sources from farms. Pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and even animal poo.
Great, more poo.
Disgusting. I don't want to be a fish living in this ocean, that's for sure.
I wouldn't want to eat a fish from there either.
I never even thought of that. This is like some crazy ocean commotion video game.
It's all about the games, isn't it, Jack? Hi, Jack.
What am I doing here?
This is the food chain game.
Wicked. What do I do?
Swim around and eat the zooplankton while avoiding anything that might hurt you.
Then what?
You reach level 2, then level 3, and if you complete level 3, you win.
Let's do this. must be hard living in the ocean.
What are you talking about?
I think he needs some fresh air. Let's get out and check out the real ocean.
I thought you'd never ask.
It seems pretty clean out here.
Yeah, some aquatic habitats are in pretty good shape. There are even marine protected areas off the coast of Canada. They create them to protect the wildlife.
Hey, look at that! Way over there! A killer whale!
The killer whale, or orca, can be found in the oceans surrounding Canada. These huge predators weigh as much as a small school bus and eat an average of 100 kilograms of food each day. When you're at the top of the food chain like the orca and eat an enormous amount of aquatic creatures like fish and squid every day, the effects of pollution are magnified, especially when you live up to 50 years. That's a lot of food over a lifetime. Every time a killer whale eats another creature, it ingests the toxins which that animal is carrying in its body. Eventually, the whale can become ill, not be able to produce young, and possibly even die because of it. These very intelligent and highly social mammals use complex sounds to communicate with their fellow pod members. They also use their voices for echolocation, sending clicking noises out to bounce off of and locate potential prey. Noise made by boats and other human activities can interfere with their ability to hunt. Because of all of these threats, killer whales are considered a species at risk.
That was amazing. I have never seen a killer whale before.
Yeah, smart whale picked a nice clean place to hang out in. Ah, gross! What the?
Yeah, Jax. This is a really clean area.
That was awesome.
What?
You know how lucky we are? That was a Cassin's auklet.
Yeah, lucky.
No, really, they're usually further off the coast. They spend almost all of their time on the ocean surface, and they nest on islands where they lay one enormous egg in a burrow. When the chick hatches, its mother regurgitates a purple soup for it to eat. Even the way they hunt their prey of zooplankton is cool. They dive under the water sometimes more than 30 meters, flapping their wings like flippers.
You know, Cassin's auklets would really be in trouble if there was an oil spill out there.
Yeah, they would. Hello? Really? That's great. Yeah, we'll be right there.
Who was that?
The Dungeness crab you guys found earlier, he's all right, he's ready for release. Let's head back.
Okay, let's go.
All right, are you ready?
I can't wait to let him go.
Are you two crazy? This place is a mess. We can't let him go until we clean his stuff up.
Great idea.
Let's do it. Seriously, we need to keep our oceans clean for the creatures that live in them and around them.
So what else can we all do?
Lots. We can reduce, reuse, and recycle our waste so it doesn't end up in nature.
Use environmentally friendly household cleaning products.
Choose to paddle a boat instead of using a motor.
Pull weeds by hand and use natural compost in your garden.
Get rid of hazardous household waste like batteries, paint, and electronics at a waste disposal center.
There is so much we can all do.
Visit Hinterland Who's Who online to tell us your ideas.
Yeah, the website has a lot more information about aquatic life too.
And remember, no matter where you live in Canada, wildlife is close by. So get out and see it.